Jai Sri Mataji. I bow to the seekers of the truth. The modern man has invented several scientific discoveries, inventions. Lot of progress he has made. So he treats himself, he is the greatest man of the world. He is very knowledgeable. But it is not truth. The truth is, the absolute truth is, he got these inventions, he got this brain work, he got these ideas, everything, Newton, Einstein, Alva Edison, whoever it may be the case, because of the much development of the spinal cord and the medulla oblongata and the brain. That is why man is different from the animals. Animals are pashu, pash, God's grace. They work under the God directly related to the God. Whereas the man does not. He got his absolute freedom. Whatever he wanted, he can do. The man can do whatever he wanted. He can believe the God, he can oppose the God, he can challenge the God, whatever it is. So the modern man demands, if there is a God, let me see him before me and scientifically proved, just like all the inventions, how they are proved. He does not believe the scriptures, he does not believe the Vedas, he does not believe the incarnations and whose prophecies, etc., etc. So he wants a scientific reasons for the existence of the God. There comes, the need comes Sahaja Yoga, invented by Param Pujya Sri Mataji Nirmala Devi, who is the incarnation of the 21st century. Sri Mataji Nirmala Devi born in India in 1923, and in 1970, at her age of 47 years, she rediscovered the old method of Patanjali Yoga into a small, simple, effective, cordial, speedier yoga, that is Sahaj Yoga. She is the mentor of this Sahaj Yoga. Sahaj means spontaneous and very simple. Anybody can do. A 3 years baby to 100 years old man. Anybody can do that. So this is the Sahaj Yoga. Now the Sri Mataji, the scientists, Sri Mataji met so many scientists, and whatever they said also she answered quietly, reasonably, amicably, and through science. Science of God is projected to them. How it is, let us see. On 13th January 1990, there was a press conference, scientist conference, doctors conference, press meet held in Bombay by Sri Mataji Nirmala Devi, the creator of the Sahaj Yoga. By that time, hundreds of countries are practicing the Sahaj Yoga, the simple way of technique of Sahaj Yoga meditation. What she said, the man has a spinal cord. At the base of the spinal cord, a triangular bone, that is the pelvic plexus. Mooladhara is there. In Mooladhara, there is a power, cosmic power, that is electromagnetic power is there. That is called in Sanskrit Kundalini by the seers of the ancient war. In all scriptures it was written. Patanjali has also written. Patanjali Yoga Shastra also deals with the same Kundalini. But that is very critical, long, prolonged practice. That is Ashtanga Yoga. That is by the that was done by the Sannyasa Ashram people, not for the common man like me, like you, like that. So she has asked the scientist, first you take the realization, Atma Sakshatkar, and then you know who I am, and then you know who is the God, where is the God, like that. So that in that conference, scientists press meet, it was disclosed Dr. Vinod Ramarao Varlikar, a great scientist, famous scientist, got Atma Sakshatkar realization, and he is the Bhakta of Sri Ganesha. Where Muladhara Chakra is there, there is Ganesha is there. Above the Muladhara Chakra, Muladhar is there. In that Muladhar, Kundalini Shakti is there. So Sri Mataji asked him to see there is a Om, there is a Swastika, there is a Jesus Christ cross, Alpha, Omega. All these things, powers are embedded, created by the God Almighty there itself in the Muladhara Chakra. First energy center of the human being. There are 7 energy centers. The first is the Muladhara Chakra. Chakra means energy center. She asked that scientist, because that scientist is expert in biochemistry. He was there by that time when he sought his realization. He worked 18 years after his completion of the PhD in India. He has done the PhD on anti-tuberculosis compounds with the very famous doctor K.S. Nirgun, who worked with the Mr. Thorpe 10 years in his laboratory. Thorpe got the Nobel Prize. So that was his background. In 1981, he met Sri Mataji in USA. So after he is getting the realization in 1981, he worked very hard and he discovered many things. First thing he said, there is a Valaya here. All incarnations, and on each chakra there are incarnations, gods are there. All are met in the Valaya. Valaya means, Paravalaya means this is a circle. All incarnations are meeting at one point. That is why the Kundalini Shakti is coming out from the 7th chakra, that is limbic area outside, to meet the God Almighty. The Shakti, the energy inside the human body comes out from the 7th chakra and meets the God's cosmic energy of this. So he very worked hard. He also worked with another Nobel Prize winner, UC Berkeley, Mahan's book, tachometry. Many things he has studied before this, his research on Muladhara. And what he has found out is, as per Sri Mataji's advice, he worked the research, very hard work. From left to right, he has seen and taken the photographs of electronic microscope. Omkara he has seen in the Muladhara chakra, first chakra. He has seen, that is pelvic plexus, in medical science it is called. He has seen from left to right. If he sees Muladhara, that is Omkara. From right to left, Swastika. And again he has, at the advice of Sri Mataji Nirmala Devi, from the bottom to the top also he has seen, where he found the cross of Jesus Christ. All these findings, his research outcome, he is published in international famous journals also, and he revealed all these facts in 1990 press meet. What he has done, main research on the carbon atom at the advice of Sri Mataji Nirmala Devi. Carbon has 4 electrons. Tetrahedral structure. Tetrahedral structure of the atom of the carbon he studied. That is his major research. In fact, the structure of the atom was done by the Nobel Prize winner Mr. Niels Bohr. After continuation of that Niels Bohr's research books only, he studied further progress. This structure of the atom, CH4, carbon has 4 valence electrons. So this he has seen, Omkara he has seen one side, Swastika he has seen one side, cross he has seen, that is cross means alpha and omega. So the 2 facts of the Jesus Christ, 2 symbols of this Jesus Christ, 2 symbols of the Sri Ganesha, both are same. Sri Mataji explained the first Ganesha was created by Gauri, Mahagauri, and then Jesus Christ was created as a son of Mary. Both are one God only. One God came in 2 forms. One is Sri Ganesha, another is Jesus. So 4 symbols are discovered at Mooladhara Chakra. So by this way, by method of science of God is explained and revealed to the world, and now the Sahaja Yoga is practiced in 140 countries in 6 continents. Sahaja Yoga is tested, proved, agreed by the east, west, north, south, all the people, all the countries. So it is a universal yoga. So the seekers in the world should do this Sahaja Yoga every day morning, 10 minutes morning, 10 minutes evening. Now due to pandemic virus problem, online programs from India, it is emanated from the Pratishthan, Pune city, India. Everyday programs are coming. Anybody can go to the www.sahajayoga.org.in. Anybody can go to the website and get the website link or Zoom link or YouTube link, whatever it is. In what way you want, everything you can do. This is the science of God. Science of God is Sahaja Yoga. Sahaja Yoga is science of God. It is proved. And moreover, Dr. Umesh Chandra Rai, UC Rai, who was the first director of the Sahaja Yoga Research Center, Navi Bombay, Belapur, Bombay. Sri Mataji created Bombay Hospital for the entire world, not for India, for entire world. In 1996, he was the first director, and he was the key person for conducting research in Lady Hardinge College, Medical College, New Delhi, and 4 doctors got PhD there. So it was proved, tested, everything. It is written in the documents. Now the world has the important book, Medical Science Enlightened, by Dr. Umesh Chandra Rai, with the grace of Sri Mataji Nirmala Devi. It is now in PDF form. Anybody can go to the Google search and can study 266 pages. So Sahaja Yoga is for the mankind. Modern man, modern science, modern scientist, everybody. Common man and modern man and scientist, everybody, anybody can do this Sahaja Yoga. Thank you very much. Please adopt Sahaja Yoga and do yourself good and do peace to the world. Thank you very much. Jai Shri Mataji.